हेलो फ्यूचर ऑफिसर्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज सेशन ऑफ द 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस। एंड आज के सेशन में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फॉर द इंटरव्यू ऑफ ईपीएफओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस। एंड थीमेटिकली हम ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए लाए हैं जिससे आपकी जो इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छे से हो एंड यू माइट बी एबल टू form your answers and articulate them well. So let's get started. The first is about the personal background related questions, and these are: tell us about yourself. Why do you want to join EPFO organization? What do you know about EPFO and its functions? How does your educational background help us you in this role? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? How do you handle pressure or tight deadlines? What motivates you to work in the public sector? Why did you choose this career path instead of private sector job? How do you prioritize work when you have multiple tasks? Next is about the knowledge about EPFO and the labor laws. तो इससे क्या questions expected हो सकते हैं? So what is the Employees Provident Fund (EPF)? Then what are the main schemes administered by EPFO? Explain the difference between EPF, EPS, EDLIS. What is the minimum salary limit for the EPF applicability? Who contributes to the EPF and how much? What is UAN, that is Universal Account Number? How does EPFO help in ensuring social security for employees? What are the main challenges for EPFO that EPFO faces today? What are the recent reforms introduced in EPFO operations? How is EPFO adapting to digitalization? Next is about the labor and social security laws. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस जो एक्सपेक्टेड हैं: What are the key provisions of the EPF Act 1952? What are the penalties for non-compliance with EPF rules? How does EPFO ensure enforcement and compliance by employers? What is the Payment of Gratuity Act and how does it relate to Social Security? Difference between EPF and PPF? What is the Code on Social Security 2020? How has the new Labour Code affected EPFO's operations? What are the responsibilities of an enforcement officer? How does the EPFO handle grievances of employee and employers? What role does EPFO play in retirement planning? तो ऑलरेडी आप जब अपने एग्जाम के लिए, आपने रिटन एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जब प्रिपेयर किया होगा, आपने एक्ट्स को बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया ही होगा। एंड सिमिलरली इन एक्ट्स को आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए भी देख के जाना है, तो वो वहाँ के बेसिक्स क्वेश्चंस थे जो एक्सपेक्टेड थे। नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, एनालिटिकल एंड सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस. So how would you handle a situation where an employer refuses to comply with EPF rules? Describe a situation where you had to resolve a conflict at work or in your studies. तो किसी भी past incidents को आप यहाँ पे बता सकते हैं, फिर आपकी studies में भी हो तो you can mention that. ज़्यादा लंबी story telling नहीं करनी है, keep it short and crisp. How would you deal with a large backlog of cases in your office? What steps would you take to ensure transparency in your department? How would you manage a team that isn't meeting deadlines? How do you ensure accuracy in documentation and data handling? Describe a time when you took initiative to solve a problem. तो इससे आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, एक प्रीवियस किसी इंसिडेंट को आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं यहाँ. How would you communicate complex EPFO rules to a lay person? What measures would you suggest to increase EPF compliance among small employers? If an employee complains about a delayed PF transfer, how would you handle it? Next, the current affairs and governance based questions. So these are: what is the role of Ministry of Labour and Employment in EPFO? What are the some recent government schemes related to employment or social security? How has technology like Umang app, EPFO portal, etc. changed the member experience? What do you understand by e-governance in social welfare organizations? How do you think artificial intelligence or data analytics can improve EPFO functioning? What are the challenges of implementing social security in the unorganized sector? How does EPFO contribute to India's inclusive growth agenda? What are your thoughts on the impact of gig economy on EPF coverage? How would you ensure ethical conduct and integrity in your role? Do you feel increasing taxation can help in formalization of the economy? So here these were the 50 most expected questions. Try to form the answers for them and give them with confidence. And if you need any support in your interview preparation, Career Quest is there to help you out. Reach us at our website or book a counseling from us and keep learning. All the best.